Here is the quickest way to use TikTok in the US. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Keep this tutorial to the end because it is just quick and simple how to use TikTok in the US. Let's go. I'm sharing two ways for Android users and those with iPhones. If you have Android, this is for you. All you need is to look for a VPN. Make sure that you connect the VPN, and that is the best VPN to use TikTok in the US. And then just connect. After connecting the VPN, boom, open your TikTok and then just load again. TikTok will be just working very well in the US, just like that.